Let's compare the Efluky and the Songmics laundry basket to see which one works best for you and your needs. The Efluky is a slim laundry basket, okay, so it does have wheels on it, but it's more if you need something that's going to fit in a small storage area. It can fit up to 60 liters, and it has this mesh cover on top as well, but it's not removable. The Songmics laundry basket is going to be if you need a big laundry basket. This fits up to 42.3 gallons or 160 liters. It has a removable linen section as well, and is going to be a little bit more stylish in my opinion, but this is definitely if you want something bigger, if you want something that is going to look more like decor in your home rather than a laundry basket, this is going to be the one that you're going to go for. It also has a lid on the top as well, so it's going to cover the basket instead of having that removable mesh cover. They both also have wheels on them, making them super easy to move around.